Island Max here again. It has been 22 days since the pass of Hurricane Melissa, and we're on the road and we're heading into St. Ann. So this is the full journey from Montego Bay into St. Ann. Today is November 19. It's 7:30 a.m. and we're on the road showing you what it is like 22 days since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Here we are on the Queens Drive, gonna pass the airport, head out past Rose Hall, straight out past Trelawny, past Falmouth, straight into St. Ann. I hope everyone is doing okay. Thank you again for the support on the channel. Again, let me know who's watching the video, where you're watching from. We're on the road showing you what Jamaica, Western Jamaica is like in the aftermath. Well, it's 22 days since the passage of the hurricane. So we're gonna see what the road streets look like. I hope you enjoy the journey. Listen to me, a lot of activity has been going on in Montego Bay. I have a lot to share with you. So the trucks coming in with supplies here into Montego Bay. Look at it. Such a beautiful day. It's cool. The sun is coming up. We're still on Queens Drive. And we're passing the El Greco Resorts. Listen, I have a lot to share with you guys, man. Make sure you watch the entire video. Alright? So, right now, there are a lot of linesmen in and around Montego Bay. Some from the US, some from Canada. And they're here working on our power grid, our electrical grid. Installing posts, you know, clearing light wires. They have carrying some pole digging trucks, so it's not persons with picker or drills drilling into the ground. They have the trucks with all of the we call it the auger and the drilling tools installed, and they're doing the drilling. So they're trying to cover ground, but it's a bit slow. Listen, there has been a massive impact to the electrical grid of Montego Bay and Western Jamaica, St. Elizabeth. So it's gonna take some time. What I hope they do is that they work on, see some government officials coming in here. Right? What I hope they do is that they work on the power around these with the water pumping stations, so that, because the pump need electricity, so that persons can get water in their pipes. Passing the Sangster, we will be passing the Sangster International Airport. There has been a buzz of activity there, massive repairs done over there. You know, a lot of down trees, they have removed some of them. So right now it's garbage collection that's going on in and around the city. There has been cases of leptospirosis. So soldiers, I wish I had the footage, but I have it. I hope I'll show you pretty soon, of soldiers cornering off West Green and catching all, limiting the flow of traffic in and out of these communities to prevent the spread of these diseases, which was predicted because of that massive storm surge. A lot of flooding took place, a lot of garbage piled up in the West Green catching all area. And so now they're having that problem. So now we're passing the Sangster International Airport. That's the entrance on the left. What a lovely day to to do a drive out. Here's the Montego Bay sign. Let me see if there has been any damage to the sign. Oh, some of the bricks there has been removed. Friend. Alright. Now we're on the highway. Listen, I'm driving incorrectly. The rule seat in front of us. Keep left, pass right. So we're gonna follow the rules of the road. We're gonna keep left and pass right. This person's there washing. Yes, there's a spring coming out of the hills. They use it to wash motor vehicles. Somebody washing their vehicle. There has been a lot of new springs popping up in Mount Pelier, Reading. I see persons using the spring in Spot Valley. A lot of new springs have been popping up, and persons have been utilizing these springs, using them as their water source. I'm telling you, those springs are a lifesaver. Very much a lifesaver for Western Jamaica. This is why it's important that Jamaica remains a land of wood and water. Now cut down the tree them. Don't cut down the trees, because those are where you get your springs from and your river. Right? So we're passing the flanker region on the right. By the way, this is where they load the supplies, all of the emergency relief. Over there on the left, where there is a soldier JDF post. That's where the helicopters, all the helicopters are seeing in Western Jamaica, they come here for supplies. Alright, so we're heading now into the Iron Shore region. Again, jump in the comments, let me know what you think about the pace at which, wow, there's a big cutout right here in the road. Let me know what you think about the pace at which Jamaica is moving in terms of the cleanup recovery activities. Is it fast enough? All considering that we are a small island. We're lacking in resources. I don't know, I believe proper planning is needed though. Better planning. Listen, we have to get some breakfast on the road. Wonder if we can stop at the pudding shop in Priory St. Ann for breakfast. We're passing the White House village on the left, that's the entrance. Stoplights are not working here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That dog got hit down. Let's switch lanes, pick up the pace. Let's pick up the pace. Alright, let's keep left. Me, when I'm making these videos, I have to make sure that I drive properly, because persons will head to the comments and let me know about my driving, Yeah man, I don't take it lightly. Respect to all the supporters and subscribers. By the way, you see that subscribe button? Yeah man, below the video, tap on the subscribe button as we grow this community. This is Island Max. So we're in Iron Shore now. Cement truck, lot of construction going on. They are constructing a price mart right over there on the right in front of us. A lot of the hotels got damaged, so a lot of the hotels are closed. S Hotel is still open, so if you're coming to Montego Bay, you want a nice hotel, you can check out the S Hotel in Montego Bay on the hip strip. Beautiful day for a drive out, I'm telling you. So on the right, they're constructing the Price Mart, the new Price Mart for Montego Bay. Stoplights again damaged here, debris here. They're very slow in clearing these debris here. It's a big hazard. You can't have zinc on the highway. If there's heavy wind, it will carry it into the path of motor vehicles. So I hope the authorities move fast to remove the debris from off the roadway. Big hazard. Coral Gardens, the police station, they have Wi-Fi, Starlink. So if you're in the area and want the internet, you can check these police stations. Oh, the sun. Oh, there are a lot of rainy clouds coming out. Make sure you tap that thumbs up button to like the video. Let me know what you think about Montego Bay. Are you still in love with the beautiful second city? We stand with the people of Western Jamaica, man. They're going through a very rough time. No water, no light. Keep left, pass right. We're going back into the left lane. We're passing Hospital, largest private hospital in in Montego Bay. Stoplights are out. Beautiful day, I'm telling you. I want to get that Starlink internet. You know, there are a lot of persons. Well, has everyone got through to relatives in Montego Bay? Persons have been saying they cannot make contact with their relatives. Let me know. Because if I get that Starlink internet, you know, I'll be heading on the road and trying to connect persons with their relatives. I think that would be a nice thing to do on this channel. What's happening? Oh, that bus in front wants to pass, but he can't get to pass. Indicator, let's switch lanes. It's drizzling. Look how the video pretty and nice. Tap that subscribe button, man. We're gonna do more of these videos. Lovely morning to drive out. The sun is now peeking through the rain clouds. Power lines are down here. Turn down this AC. Or should I turn it off? Let me turn it off. Probably take down the back glass a bit. Slightly. That's not too much noise. We're in Rose Hall. Passing the Rose Hall Great House. The entrance is on the right. Wow, the sun is coming up, man. Hope I can spot one of those persons that wipe, the guys that wipe the glass. Look how Jamaica is so beautiful, man. Me back to sweet Jamaica. Speed limit is 50 kilometers per hour here. No stoplights here. Proceed with caution. This out here they will be building the Moon Palace, you know, Jamaica's tallest hotel will be built right here. Right here is called Success. Yeah man, a Moon Palace will be constructed here. The sun is coming up. Whoa. So they're building the Unico Hotel way over there. I think there will be a Hard Rock Hotel. Holy, listen me man. Along this trip a lot of hotels are coming here. As you know, a large percent of Jamaica's income come from tourism. It will be good for the residents out here in Lilliput, Success, etc. Barrytown. Stop sign. Let's obey the stop sign here. Can we proceed? Yes, we can. Look at the light pole here in front of us. Just waiting to fall down. You see how massive the impact has been on our grid? All of that dirty thing on the right, you know, was in the road, you know. They had to use tractors to clear it. Beautiful. We're passing Iberia Star Rosal. I think that hotel has been damaged. All the power lines here are down. It will be probably January before all of Montego Bay gets back power. Massive impact to our electric grid here, or power grid. So we in the Greenwood area now. You have to look out for the drivers that are overtaking, you know, recklessly. We have to look out. It's a little crash hot spot out here. We're in Greenwood. Beautiful place. Lovely coastal community. Campbell's Hardware. Oh, we're passing the Chill Out Hut. Lovely place, lovely restaurant. So the Greenwood sign has been damaged right here. drizzling out here. Road is wet, so we have to drive cautiously in this area. That's what I'm talking about. See what I'm talking about? You have to drive cautiously and look out for the other drivers. A sip of water. Gas station out here. Oh, it's not a crowd this time. Gas is readily available now. By the way, I need to get some gas. Look at that, man. Light post down. So much work is needed to get electricity back in these areas. I believe all of this area was flooded during the hurricane. Right turn is the turn into Falmouth. We got a new sign, see there? A new welcome to Falmouth sign. Wow. bridge now here in Falmouth. If you turn right, that would carry you into Montego Bay, and the left turn carries you into the town of Falmouth. So ships have been coming, cruise ships have been coming into Falmouth. Sun coming up slowly but surely. Look at the Jamaican flag right over there on the right. Symbol of togetherness as we recover from this. So the place bright and nice now. What time is it? 8:20. 8:20 a.m. So we're in Trelawny and we're heading into St. Ann. I wish I had a water truck in these times. Can we go around? Let's wait. Give me the green light. Alright, if you turn right, that would have carried you to the stadium, Trelawny Stadium. Straight into what? Jacksontown, Stewart Town, Clarkstown, all of those areas. Some government officials coming in there. Can't wait to win this. Can't wait. Everybody's driving so slow today. I don't know what's happening. What sign is this? What? Coral Spring Mountain protected area. Ah, it's a protected area out here. Let's go. Trucks. Look how beautiful this side is. Look at the clouds touching the road. And we're out by Ocean Coral Spring. Another beautiful community. Let's pick up the pace as we head over this hill. Beautiful Jamaica, man. Sunshine. Wood and water. Who saw that bottle drop off the truck? We are good, man. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Big up your side of Jamaica. And if you just love Jamaica, let me know in the comments. Tap the thumbs up button. As the Jamaican flags soar. See them there on the left. One love Jamaica. Some more government officials coming in here. Everybody is heading to Montego Bay and beyond. Listen, man, I have so many things planned out for this channel. So many content to share. I'm just waiting on some stuff, trying to get some internet so I can share with you. I'll be uploading more regularly. Duncan's, the community of Duncan's is on the right. That's the entrance to go to Duncan's. Lot of rain clouds are in the sky, blocking out the sun. color. The leaves are quickly turning now to green. Well, slowly but surely. All of this area was just brown because of the strong winds of what? Upwards of 180 miles per hour, battering the trees. But see the green, they're taking shape now. We've been having some rains and the trees are springing back to life. Everybody have Starlink now. I wonder if I can get one. Just passed the bus a while ago. Everybody have their Starlink on their windshield. Anybody watching the video can send me a Starlink. Let me know in the comments, man, or send me a WhatsApp. My number is posted. I need a Starlink. Or you can just send me a WhatsApp message. The number is on the channel page. Let me know what you think about the channel, or just send a big up. Thank you. I need some breakfast. I went to stop at the pudding shop in Priory, St. Ann to get some food. I need a GoPro too, so like when I make these stops I can just continue videoing and show you the full experience. Beautiful morning to do this drive out. Let's pick up the pace. Yeah, we are going to climb a hill now. Look at this bike, man. Beautiful. That's where we are now, Braco. Right, here's the sign that says welcome to St. Ann. So we're officially now in St. Ann. Looks like the sign has been damaged too. We have officially made it into St. Ann. I'm gonna be stopping in Prairie, St. Ann. Beautiful. Sun peeking out again here. Lovely. Sun-kissed Jamaica. Drink some water. Discovery Bay Marine Laboratory on the left. See a diver there. So they do a dive and they catch the fish. So that big dome straight ahead in front of us. Wait again, let me see if it come into view. Right over there on the left. Or straight ahead. That's where they process the bauxite for aluminum. So over here is called the Discovery Bauxite Partners. Port Roads, Discovery Bay. Jamaica. That's what I see written on the ship over there. Jamaica. That's how the Spanish pronounce Jamaica. Wow. Discovery Bay. Discovery Bay, St. Ann. Over here is the Old Folly Scenic Park. I wonder if it is the smallest park in Jamaica. I need to do a feature on that, you know. I think it's the smallest park in Jamaica. It's very small. We need to get some gas. See how much of the gas over here. $2.26. Let me pass this gas station. $226 per litre for 90 gas. 90 octane gas. Potable water. Trust me, man, the water trucks are making money during these times. Discovery Bay. Even poles are down here in Discovery Bay. Listen me, man, I don't know when these areas are going to get light. We need more linesmen in Jamaica. So the police and more officials coming in here. Everybody's heading to Montego Bay. I see another gas station pretty soon. What was the cost that we saw? $2.26 for 90 octane per litre. We're gonna try. I hope we can get it cheaper somewhere else. Can't wait behind this truck, I swear. Land. Oh, Green Grotto Cave attractions. Green Grotto Caves is on the right. We're still in St. Ann. Jamaica, Jamaica. Said I heard up there the streets are made of gold. When you get there, there's a hand to hold. Water trucks filling up here. Didn't know that there's a river here. All All the pole lines are down, some of them in this area. Hurricane Melissa do it bad, man. Mash up Jamaica. We need to get those pole lines going underground. That's what I do believe. Has been going for nearly 58 seconds, 58 minutes. Let's see how long it will take us to reach our destination. Here's another beautiful hotel that got some damage as well. Here in Runaway Bay. That's where we are, Runaway Bay, St. Ann. And we're passing the Bahia Principe hotels and resorts. We're in Runaway Bay. Need to get that breakfast in Prairie. We're in Cox Heath, St. Ann. What a name. Stoplights are down here. Police again on the road. Power lines down. Listen, what if it was the entire island that was affected by Melissa? Oh my, Jamaica would be in crisis. We'd have to declare a state of emergency. Need to charge this phone here. Here is our school bus, Jamaica's new school bus. Well, new, relatively new. They have been driven abroad in Canada and imported here in Jamaica. Schools are closed. Some schools are still closed. Most schools are closed in Western Jamaica. We're now hunting for gas stations. There's a pothole somewhere on the road, you know, I look out for it. Mom's Village Resort and Spa. Jewel Paradise Cove is on the right. Land is out here for sale. Development land. 58 acres of oceanfront land for sale. There's no power in St. Ann. Well, Ocho Rios has electricity, but look at the down poles here. Wow. Tire shop. So the dignitary is coming through. See the pothole here. Let me avoid it. Where are the gas stations? One should be coming up somewhere on the left. Let's see if we're gonna get the gas cheaper. Oh, they're constructing. Oh, they're not finished constructed. And it was damaged. Electric poles down. That one broke, man. You notice that the concrete ones are still standing, and this is the wooden ones that are down. Let me see if what's going on here. Whoa. This one, let me see if it's a concrete. Yeah, it's a wooden one. Yeah, all the wooden ones are down, are broken. But the concrete ones are still standing. So we need concrete poles in Jamaica. Forget the wooden poles, man. Problem. So we're in St. Ann. We've successfully made it into St. Ann. I'm heading to Prairie. But I'm trying to find a gas station before we head there. I need a Starlink, man. Laughlands, Little River. That's where we are. Paradisiac is on the left. Beautiful. Alright, let's check out this gas station here in Cave River, Texaco. Let's check it out and see what their price is like. Remember, we passed it at $2.26 per liter. Let's check it out. They have an NCB. It's a new Texaco gas station. Let's check it out. We're going too far. Respect. Alright, how you gas go now? I'm gonna see no price. How much a liter for the 90? 218. Yeah man, that good man. Better than down so. Alright. Some more. See how much I can afford now. No machine now work. Alright, run the card for 8,090. How much? No, 7,090. Alright, so we got the gas cheaper here at the Texaco gas station. Police are there doing their job. We got the gas and we're heading out on the road now. We're going to Priory, and I'm going to see if I can get some of that pudding, lovely pudding there in Priory. Stoplights are down, unbroken, noticeably. We are in Richmond, passing the Richmond estates. Oh, they even have a pharmacy over there. Wow. Talking about gated community, the whole gated community experience. Plantation Smokehouse. I haven't been there yet. I want to check it out soon. Lovely restaurant. Centon is one of the most developed, or is the fastest developing parish in Jamaica. Whoa, what's happening here? Centon is the biggest parish as well. Traffic already? Oh man, come on. So we have traffic in Priory already. Well, not Priory, but heading into Priory. We have a new gas station called Blaze over here as well. I don't see why is it that the gas stations don't advertise their prices anymore? I don't see any pricing. They have a supermarket over there. This is what the traffic is like. Look out for the listen man, person's undertaking, overtaking, round taking. You have to look out for the drivers, man. So we have successfully made it into St. Ann. We have made it into St. Ann, man, and we're happy. Thank you again. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Let's fast forward. We're going to Prairie. But thank you for sticking and staying with us, showing you what's going on in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. What, 22 days since the hurricane has passed, and this is what the area look like. Traffic still on the road here in Prairie, but we're just a few meters away from the destination. Slowly but surely, we're inching on.